Sloths are often seen as nature's slowest creatures, barely moving, rarely in a hurry, and seemingly frozen in time. But behind their sluggish pace lies a powerful evolutionary story of survival, adaptation, and efficiency. So, why do sloths move so slowly? To understand that, we need to begin with where they live and what they eat. Sloths are native to the rainforests of Central and South America. They live almost entirely in the treetops, suspended from branches for the majority of their lives. But what really defines them, what sets them apart from almost every other mammal, is their extraordinarily slow metabolism. Sloths are folivores, meaning their diet consists almost entirely of leaves, and while leaves are abundant, they aren't exactly nutritious. They're low in calories, difficult to digest, and offer very little energy in return. For most animals, that wouldn't be sustainable, but sloths have evolved a completely different approach to life. Rather than expend energy searching for more food, they minimize the energy they use altogether. A sloth's metabolism runs at just 40 to 50% the rate expected for an animal of its size. They have extremely low muscle mass, about 30% less than similar mammals, and their entire physiology is adapted to conserve energy. Even their body temperature fluctuates with the environment, much like a reptile, rather than staying constant like most warm-blooded mammals. Their digestion is just as slow as their movement. It can take a sloth an entire month to process a single meal. They have a large, multi-chambered stomach that acts as a fermentation chamber, allowing bacteria to slowly break down the tough cellulose in the leaves they eat. It's efficient but incredibly time-consuming. But this slow pace isn't just about saving energy, it's also a matter of survival. In the dense canopy of the rainforest, predators like jaguars, ocelots, and harpy eagles hunt using sight and sound. Most prey animals avoid being eaten by running, hiding, or fighting back. Sloths do none of those things. Instead, they rely on being nearly invisible. By moving so slowly, sloths avoid drawing attention. Their moss-covered fur blends seamlessly with the trees, and the algae that grow on their bodies actually enhances their camouflage. In fact, some species of sloths even have specialized grooves in their hair that help the algae grow. This stealth-based survival strategy has been incredibly successful. Sloths have existed in some form for over 60 million years. Some of their ancestors were even giant ground sloths the size of elephants. Today's tree-dwelling sloths may be smaller, but their strategy remains effective. Stay quiet, stay hidden, and use as little energy as possible.